Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be a little bit of a different video. I'm going to be doing kind of like a challenge video. I just feel like I've been super absent on YouTube lately, especially this last week. I posted one video and that was pre-recorded, so I literally haven't filmed for it feels like 2 weeks, and I'm feeling really inspired. I just got done watching a bunch of makeup tutorials, which I haven't really been watching a lot of makeup tutorials on YouTube lately, just because, I don't know, like when you do makeup tutorials, you kind of get tired of watching them, I guess. But this last week I watched a bunch, and I actually just got done like binge watching a bunch of J Kissa's videos, and she does the random color challenge, which I'm pretty sure Alyssa Ashley also does this, and I think the person who started this is Mariah Leonard, but I will put all that for sure information down in the description box when I post this. Yeah, but basically it's just like a challenge where I take like a big eyeshadow palette and I close my eyes and I pick random colors, and I think I pick 5 out, 4 mattes and 1 shimmer shadow. So I'm gonna be doing that with a bunch of eyeshadows today, and I'm also gonna do that with highlighter and lipsticks. So it's gonna be a little bit fun, and I just kind of wanted to sit down, chill with you guys, talk to you, because I feel like it's been a minute, and like, I don't know, I just feel like I want to talk. I want to sit down and talk, and I want to play with makeup because makeup has not been a priority on my channel lately, and I want to bring it back to that. Okay, so we're first gonna start out by picking out some eyeshadows. So I have a few different like single eyeshadow palettes that I want to pick from. This is Makeup Geek, this one is House of Beauty, and then this is Anastasia Beverly Hills. I just wanted to kind of bring a little bit of variety of brands into it, and also I want to be able to pick from some like crazy colors. So I think I'm gonna pick 2 from each of these because these are mostly matte eyeshadows, and then I'm going to pick 1 from the House of Beauty one because it's mostly shimmer eyeshadows. Okay, this one is Makeup Geek. I don't like want to shove my nail into, oh god, why am I getting nervous? Okay, I think I want to pick this one. I hope it's a matte one. Of course, it's literally the only shimmer one. I'm gonna set that down. I'm also gonna pick out the other 2 shimmer ones just because I want to have more mattes than shimmers. Okay, I touched this one. I hope I'm in frame. Okay, and this one, I feel like people are gonna tell me that I'm cheating because it's a smaller palette, but I just wanted to make sure that I got like bright colors into the mix. I did not like memorize these. Also, these aren't very easy to take out, so I have to like, this one is so hard. Okay, I know which one I was aiming for. I'm just gonna, okay, so far those colors are boring, so hopefully we get a bright one in here. First one I touch. Ooh. Yeah. Okay, these colors kind of go together. I feel like it's gonna be, it might turn muddy. Okay, so here are the 5 colors, kind of camo-ish. Going for a camo look today. Okay, and I also wanted to add some glitter, so I'm going to throw these little things into a bowl. These are the BH Cosmetics Eyelights. They're just like really shimmery, glittery thingies. Okay, what the frick? I don't, oh god, I like literally, these are so weird. They're like poopy colors. They look like mud. Also, I forgot to point out that I'm in my room. It is super hot today. It's been really, really hot in Oregon for like the last couple days. And my room and the living room are the only rooms that have air conditioning systems in them. So I like blasted the air conditioning in here before I started filming this video, and then I turned it off. So I'm like trying to stay cool. So that's why I'm in my bedroom. This is actually the first time I've ever filmed in my bedroom. Do you guys like it? I kind of like the look of like my bed spread and like the pictures and stuff in the background. Okay, so I'm first going in with concealer. This is the Nabla Cosmetics Close-Up Concealer, and this is in Porcelain. I'm just gonna use this to prime my eyelids. Also, my brows are still healing from microblading. This is what they're looking like right now. They're healing a lot better than the first time. Like, they look so good. I feel like like none of the strokes came out this time, and the color is looking really, really nice. She switched to a more ashier color this time, so I'm really liking it. And I'm just blending this in with the Japanesque beauty sponge. But like, I'm being very, very strict about my eyebrows healing this time. I have not put any moisturizer or any makeup on my forehead this whole time. Yeah, I've just been like keeping it really light with putting things on my face. Okay, and then I'm just going to set that concealer with a little bit of powder. Okay, now onto the eyeshadows. I am going to go in with this color right here first. This one is from Makeup Geek and it's called Wild West. And I'm just going to take this big fluffy brush from BH Cosmetics crease brush, and I'm just going to work that into my crease. This is a little bit dark to be a transition color, but we gotta work with what we got. So I'm just gonna really, really blend it out. Okay, I feel like these two colors right here are pretty much kind of the same, so I'm gonna save this color for the lower lash line. Then I'm gonna go in with this darkest color. This is from Anastasia Beverly Hills and it is called Deep Brown. Okay, and then taking some of that on this flat shader brush from BH Cosmetics, I'm going to, I think I want to do, colors are so awkward. I think I want to do kind of a halo eye effect. So I'm gonna focus this color on the outer corner and on the inner corner. Okay, and then I'm just gonna go straight in for it. I'm taking Emerald by House of Beauty on my middle finger, and I'm just going to put that on the center of my lid. Wow, this is a really, really pretty color. I don't think I've ever used this before. Okay, and then I'm going to take Dirty Martini. This is by Makeup Geek, and with this small crease brush by BH Cosmetics. I'm gonna use this just to kind of blend everything together in the crease and the outer corners with that green color. I'm just going to darken up the outer corners just a little bit with that deep brown color. Okay, and now for this, I don't really know where to put this. I don't know where to put it. All right, this is in the color GalPal. I think that I'm just going to place, I guess it does kind of have a greenish hue. I'm gonna put a little bit on the back of my hand, and just with my finger, I'm going to tap this on the very center of my lids. Okay, and then very quickly, so I can finish the rest of my eyes, I'm gonna put some makeup on my face. So I'm going in with that Nabla Cosmetics concealer again, and then I'm going to take the Becca Be a Light palette in light to medium. I've used it in my last couple of videos. It's just basically a palette with powder, bronzer, and blush. So I'm gonna apply that to my face just really quick. Okay, I switched positions in my room. I just felt like that lighting it wasn't really showing you what the makeup was actually looking like. Not as pretty of a background, but the lighting's better, so whatever. All right, so this is how everything's looking so far. I am pretty happy with it, to be honest. Not to toot my own horn or anything, but you know. All right, so now for the lower lash line, I'm taking some of that deep brown, and with a flat shader brush, I'm just going to put that on my lower lash line. Not super intense, I just kind of want to connect the top and bottom lash line. Okay, and since I have to use all these colors, I'm going to go in with this color. I wish that I hadn't picked it out. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Custom Eyeshadow. And I'm just going to take that on the flat shader brush, and I I don't even know if it's gonna show up, but I'm just going to use that to kind of blend out and add a little bit of sheen to that dark color, because this is a satin eyeshadow, it's not completely matte. All right, and then to blend everything out, I am taking the color Dirty Martini again from Makeup Geek, this fluffy crease brush from BH Cosmetics. Just going to bring a little bit of green back into that lower lash line. Wow, this is like a lot darker than I thought it was gonna be. Okay, and then taking that glitter eyeshadow, I'm just going to pop that like right on the inner part of my lower lash line. Okay, then I'm going to add some winged eyeliner. This is the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner in Trooper. Okay, and that is it for the eyes. Turned out a lot darker than I thought it was going to, but honestly, turned out better than I thought it was going to. When I saw those colors, I was a little bit nervous, not gonna lie. All right, so now I have a bowl full of highlighters, so I'm gonna try to not feel them before I go. And this is the one that I didn't want to pick. This is Stila Heaven's Hue Highlighter in Transcendence. It is a purple cream highlighter, people. Purple highlighter with green eyeshadow. Okay. Should I apply this with a brush or? All right, and last but not least, I have a bunch of Ofra liquid lipsticks that I will be putting into the bowl. Hallelujah. I was really hoping not to pick this one, is all I gotta say. Is Ofra's liquid lipstick in Belair, which is actually one of my favorite nudie pink lipsticks. What do you know? Ugh, my lips are so dry. Okay, oh god, I really overlined my lips. Please ignore that. We're gonna ignore that. Alrighty, y'all, that is it for this video. I completed the random colors makeup challenge. I actually really enjoyed this. Like, this was one of the least stressful challenges that I've done. I feel like when I do challenges, I get really nervous. But this one, I'm kind of like in my element because every time I go into a makeup tutorial, I don't know what the hell I'm doing. So it's basically what I do every single video. But yeah, I ended up kind of liking this look. It's not my favorite look I've ever done, but it definitely worked out. Let me know how you guys like this video, if this is something that you would like to see again. I know that I personally would want to film this again. I really think that this could be entertaining every single time I do it because it's a different color every single time. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye guys.